Today's video, I'm going to walk you through my top 5 best magnetic screwdriver 2025 that you need in your toolbox. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional tradesperson, or just someone looking to get the job done quicker and easier, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Number 5, DeWalt MaxFit Magnetic Screwdriver Set. Performance DeWalt's MaxFit screwdrivers are engineered for high performance across various fastening tasks. The tips are CNC machined for a precise fit, minimizing slippage and reducing wear on both the tool and fasteners. The strong magnetic tips hold screws securely, making it easier to start and complete jobs efficiently, especially in tight or awkward spaces. Technology and features. MaxFit tip design provides maximum contact with screw heads for better torque transfer and less slippage. Magnetic screw lock system. Strong rare earth magnets hold screws tightly, enhancing control and speed. Durability. Heat-treated, chrome-plated steel shafts resist rust and wear. Design. The DeWalt MaxFit screwdriver set features an ergonomic, rugged design meant for heavy-duty applications. The handles are contoured for natural hand placement and minimal strain. Each screwdriver is color-coded for easy tool selection, and the magnetic tips make working overhead or in tight corners much easier. Weight. While individual screwdriver weights vary slightly, the complete set remains lightweight and portable. The tools are well balanced to minimize fatigue during long sessions of use, making them ideal for toolbox staples. Price. Typical retail price, $25 US, depending on the number of pieces and any included accessories. Value for money. Excellent, considering the professional-grade quality and magnetic enhancements. Pros. Magnetic tips simplify screw placement and handling. Comfortable, slip-resistant handles. Durable construction with corrosion resistance. Color-coded ends for quick identification. Cons. Magnetic tips can lose strength over time with heavy use. Not all sets include a storage case. Number 4. Wera Kraftform 350 PH6 Screwdriver Set Performance. The Wera Kraftform 350 PH6 set offers excellent performance with precise Phillips screwdriving capabilities. The screwdrivers are crafted from high-grade steel and feature laser-treated tips for improved grip inside the screw head, reducing cam out and ensuring maximum torque transfer with minimal effort. Precision fit ensures minimal slippage. Durable blades, long service life under heavy usage. Laser tip technology locks into screw heads securely. Technology and features. Anti-roll feature. Hexagonal anti-roll handle prevents tools from rolling off the workbench. Hard soft zones for optimized grip and fast turning. Chrome-plated blades for corrosion resistance and extended life. Rack included. Compact rack keeps the tools organized and accessible. Design color-coded handles. Quickly identify Phillips sizes. Striking appearance. Wera's signature black and green handle design. Slip-free. Grip, even with oily or wet hands. Custom-fit rack. Space-saving storage with wall mount options. Weight set weight. Approx 650 to 750 grams. Varies slightly depending on configuration. Lightweight enough for portability while maintaining robust build quality. Retail price, $32 to $45, varies by retailer. Excellent value considering the premium materials and German engineering. Pros. Ergonomic handle reduces fatigue. Durable, corrosion-resistant blades, anti-roll design. Includes rack for organization. Cons. Limited to Phillips drivers only, no flathead or Torx. May be overbuilt for casual home users. Rack may not fit into all toolboxes. Number 3, Milwaukee 4822-2302 Multi-Bit Ratcheting Magnetic Screwdriver. Performance. The Milwaukee 4822-2302 screwdriver offers excellent performance with its multi-bit ratcheting system that allows for efficient and rapid screwdriving. It features a powerful magnetic tip, ensuring bits stay securely in place. The ratcheting mechanism provides a fast, one-handed operation for quicker job completion, which is ideal for both professionals and DIYers. This screwdriver is designed to handle a wide variety of tasks, making it versatile and reliable across different industries. Technology and features. Ratcheting mechanism. Allows for smooth forward and reverse operations, increasing work efficiency with minimal effort. Magnetic tip. The strong magnetic tip holds screws securely, making one-handed operation easier and reducing the risk of dropping screws. Durability. The tool is built with high-quality materials for long-lasting performance, including a corrosion-resistant finish that ensures durability over time. Integrated bit storage. Conveniently stores extra bits inside the handle, making them easy to access during work. Design. The Milwaukee 48-22-2302 screwdriver features a well-balanced design that ensures comfort and ease of use. The handle is designed with a non-slip grip, offering control and reducing fatigue during extended use. The compact and lightweight structure makes it easy to carry around in your toolbox or even in your pocket. Its bright red finish and Milwaukee branding enhance its professional look and easy identification. Weight: approximately 0.4 pounds, 180 grams. Lightweight construction: the screwdriver's lightweight enhances maneuverability and reduces strain during prolonged use. Price range: typically priced around $20 to $25, depending on the retailer. The pricing offers great value considering its versatility, build quality, and features. Pros: ergonomic handle, provides comfort and reduces hand strain even with prolonged use. Durable construction, built to last with corrosion-resistant materials. Bit storage, convenient for keeping extra bits close at hand. Affordable, great performance at a reasonable price, making it an attractive option for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Cons: limited bit variety. Although it includes several bits, it may not cover every type or size of screw for all specific needs. Not impact rated, not designed for heavy-duty impact work or high-torque applications. Number 2. Klein Tools 32500 Multi-Bit Magnetic Screwdriver Nut Driver Performance. The Klein Tools 32500 offers reliable, pro-grade performance for electricians, HVAC technicians, and DIYers alike. Known for its durability and versatility, this tool delivers excellent torque and grip while handling various fastener types with ease. The magnetic tips ensure secure bit retention, and the sturdy construction holds up even under heavy use. Technology and features: 11-in-1 functionality, includes 8 screwdriver tips and 3 nut driver sizes, all in one compact tool. Magnetic bit holder, securely holds bits in place during operation, minimizing slippage or loss. Interchangeable blades, easily switch between Phillips, slotted, square, and Torx bits. Heat-treated bits, designed for long-lasting use and resistance to wear. Internal storage, bits are conveniently stored inside the handle, making them easy to access and hard to lose. Design: crafted for professionals, the Klein 32500 has a rugged and ergonomic design. The anti-slip cushion grip handle not only enhances torque but also reduces hand fatigue. The shaft is made of high-quality, corrosion-resistant steel, and the bits fit snugly, ensuring consistent and dependable performance. Weight: total weight, approximately 9.6 ounces, 272 grams. Lightweight yet solid, providing a balance between portability and strength. Retail price range, $20 to $30 USD. Offers great value considering the number of tools combined into one. Pros: all-in-one convenience replaces multiple tools. Rugged, professional-grade durability. Ergonomic and comfortable handle. Ideal for electrical, construction, and general household use. Cons: handle may be bulky for users with smaller hands. Magnetic strength could be stronger for heavy-duty applications. Not insulated, not safe for live electrical work. Number 1. Wiha 32092 Slotted and Phillips Insulated Magnetic Screwdriver Set Performance. The Wiha 32092 delivers excellent performance across electrical and general-purpose tasks. Each screwdriver is VDE tested up to 10,000 volts and rated safe for use at 1,000 volts AC, ensuring maximum protection during live electrical work. The magnetic tips enhance control and precision, especially in tight or awkward spaces. Technology and features: VDE certified insulation. Each screwdriver is individually tested at 10,000 volts for insulation integrity and certified for 1,000 volts AC. Precision machined tips provide exact fit, reduced cam out, and minimized screw wear. Magnetic tips secure screws to the driver tip, making work faster and more efficient. Ergo handle design. Ergonomically shaped handles with soft grip zones reduce hand fatigue during prolonged use. Design. The design focuses on user comfort, safety, and durability. Each handle is color-coded and labeled for quick identification, and the slim insulation allows easy access to confined areas. The bright red insulation also enhances visibility, ensuring users can quickly spot the tools in their kit. Weight. The complete set is lightweight yet rugged, weighing approximately 1.1 pounds, 0.5 kilograms, making it ideal for mobile professionals who need to carry their tools on-site without excess bulk. Price. The Wiha 32092 screwdriver set is priced around $45 to $60, depending on the retailer. While it's on the higher end compared to standard screwdrivers, the safety certifications, durability, and performance justify the investment for professionals. Pros: VDE certified for high voltage work. Durable, high-strength tool steel. Comfortable ergonomic grip, trusted German engineering. Cons: higher price compared to non-insulated sets. Magnetic tips may attract metal shavings in some environments. Limited to slotted and Phillips head types.